Take a ride in the 2009 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.